Okay, hello, hi, this is Ryan Ahmed with you and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Okay, in this video I'm going to show the results of a test that I've made yesterday, which is using on a telescope. Okay, on a telescope, and especially here I have my own test on Astromaster 130 EQ. It's a Newtonian telescope, a mirror-based telescope. Okay, reflector telescope. This is the Eyepiece revolver from Qturret, they call it. Eyepiece revolver. So you can put here a number of eyepieces. This is your shaft. You get it like this. Okay. Okay. And then you start revolving the eyepieces. Like for example, I have here like two. I can add here one here, and then I can switch between them because those are fixed focal length eyepieces. So I'd love to call them, instead of variable, they call them static. Okay, not variable eyepieces. They are variable focal length. They are static focal length eyepieces. So static eyepieces, variable eyepieces. It's a good name here, I think. Anyway, so because there are other eyepieces which are the zoom, which you can use them to, like by revolving their head, okay, rotating their head like this, twisting their head like this, you can switch from, for example, 24mm eyepieces to convert it to an 8mm eyepiece. Okay, so from a small zoom to a bigger zoom within click. Okay, so now what I want to do is using this turret, okay, and this what you call Binoviewer. Okay, this is from Celestron, and it has other barrel lenses. There are other barrel lenses dedicated for this one. Okay, not the barrel lenses that you use, for example, like this one, for example, which you just attach it like this. No, you don't have to. There's one that comes with them. It has two barrels, one with 3 times, another one is a 1.85. Okay. Now, as long as you are using a Newtonian, any attachments like the Qturret, like the Binoviewer, things which make this spacing additional and shifts the position of the eyepiece in the shaft of the eyepiece, okay, you must have a barrel lens. Okay, so because your eyepiece must reach here, but because you add the turret, for example, your eyepiece will move from here to here, okay, to this end, from this end to this end. So this means to compensate this, you have to add a barrel lens, so you can pull the focusing, okay, the focal point, to pull it towards this side, okay, this side or this end, okay. So, okay. Now the black window inside the video, okay, you will see the results in it. Okay, so now the camera is off, okay, or disabled, and we will show you it once we attach things. Okay, the things. Okay. So I'm gonna remove the turret, and yes, I have barrel lens, the binocular. Okay. This is one of. Sorry if I'm out of the video because out of the screen, because I'm trying to get my things that are just beside me. So just understand that I have here one that is 1.85 barlow, especially made for this, because it has its own screw threads, okay, special screw threads for it, and you just screw it. Now here, and we attach it. Now the purpose of this test was that I wanted to see using two Qturret, so I can switch between the different eyepieces, keeping the same field of view. Okay, because if you use a zoom eyepiece, it will twist and tighten the field of view that you have. That's why you get a Binoviewer, because you want a bigger field of view. Okay, you can reach like 100 easily. But of course you cannot. This is, I think it's impossible to be done, to take a picture of both, or take a video, by combining both eyepieces here. Okay, I think, I'm not sure. Now, yeah, so here I'm gonna just put first the eyepiece. Okay, and I want to concentrate on the way that I'm gonna focus over here. Okay, so there will be a shift. So I'm gonna move the camera towards it. Okay, so you can see the shift. So you can understand that it's focusing. Okay, although I'm gonna use the wheels here to focus. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna show you that it will work. But what should be done is nothing other just than using the Binoviewer as is. Okay, well, as I told you, by adding the Baader lens, the 1.85. This is the one that matches my telescope. If you have maybe smaller telescopes, maybe you'll have to have that 3 times. Okay, you'll have to add make it added. Okay. So now I'm attaching just the eyepiece without the revolver. I'll show you that focusing. Okay. Let me check that it is pointing at the thing that I want to show you. Still there. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's a perfect view. Okay. Okay, so here when I focus, and I'm gonna now, yeah, I'm just have to put the eyepiece camera. So just to add it, okay, here's the camera, here's the what do you call it, Samsung XYZ. It's a telephone mount. Okay, so I'm gonna just okay, and I advise you very much, okay, really just buy that software on your mobiles for the Android called IP Webcam Pro. It's really awesome. Okay, I'm using OBS and I'm turning 2 Android cameras into IP cameras. This is how I'm recording, you know. So front camera. Now you can see here the other camera. Let me turn it on. Okay, so now I'm gonna attach it to the eyepiece. Okay. It's exerting a little bit of weight, but anyway, it's okay. Trying to fix the position of the. Now there's a building somewhere far. Okay, the telescope is pointing somewhere that far. Okay, here, if you want to see, somewhere that far. Okay. Somewhere like that building that you see behind the palm tree. Okay. See, this is OBS and IP Webcam Pro. Like a number of 4 cameras. You can use the 4 cameras from 2. Okay. Now I'm gonna do This is now not focused. As you can see now, the telescope is not focused. I will have to focus it. Okay, now it got focused. Okay, by a little bit of movement like this to open the view, and maybe to see the writings or the yeah, I think here it is. Here there is like a bina 44 or something like that. So there's the building. Okay, so we can see it now. Okay. So the test is whether it will focus or not. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove the camera. Let's turn it off. And we're going to add now, yeah, let me keep it, the eyepiece plus the, yeah. So I kept it, okay. So now we're going to add the turret, okay. Now, yeah, so we're using now here 23mm aspheric eyepiece when we started. This one which is facing the opening. Okay. Now we add the turret. Of course, this will exert more weight, so maybe I will have to add a little bit of weight. Now we're going to fix first the fasten the turret. Now I understand there's those knobs here which make your you know, when you join the both eyes on the binocular, so the both views will combine into one. So I know this will make it revolve when you try to revolve this too. Okay, you'll always have to move it. Okay, this is one of the things, the bad things about it. But you know, when you want these eyepieces, there's no other ways. Okay, those static eyepieces, you know. So there's no other way when you want to use those static eyepieces. So I'm gonna now add, yeah. See here, trying to find a way or method is to insert the, yeah, great. Yeah, man. Oh. Be attached. Okay, great. Okay, balancing, good. Of course, you're not gonna, we're going to take pictures like this, of course. This is just for testing, okay? And I wanted to show you that if you don't have these accessories, such accessories like the Qturret, okay? Now, let's turn on the eyepiece camera. Make sure that using, oh no, I'm not using the correct eyepiece opening, so to change the opening. Try some other opening. Looks like as if somebody has to hold it for me. Yeah, correct. That's correct. Somebody has to hold it for me. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm gonna rotate it by myself. Okay, so I'm gonna use the correct opening now. Okay, great. So here, see, no change. I haven't even changed the focus, but it works. Okay, so don't worry if you have, there it is. I think, yeah, the right thing here it is. You see on the building, title of the building. So here it works. Okay, so don't worry about not buying another Qturret. Okay, it's awesome to have. Okay. Yeah, I know this is a little bit heavy. That's why it's involved. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, seriously, it's a great pleasure that you are watching this video, because it's it took me too much effort, and you saw how hard it is to do these tests if you wanna show them to the people. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel, click like, and you're welcome anytime to ask me any questions. Please visit my lives, okay, on YouTube every Saturday at 6:30 p.m. GMT time. Okay, and you may ask me anything, computers and programming, okay, and also photography, and you're welcome, guys.